doing here today?
I come to meet my friend here.
You come to meet your friend?
Meet friend, yeah.
How old's your friend? How old is your friend?
She said 23.
How old is your friend?
23, I think.
No, not 23, I think. Take 10 years off. How old's your friend?
My friend, 23, I think.
Okay. I'll show you something, shall I? Thank you very much. Cheers, ears. How old did you say she was?
23.
Okay, I'll show you something. Yeah? Yeah.
It's the conference on camera. Yeah.
Don't keep looking over there. She's not turning up. Do you remember that?
She said 23.
What does that say?
13.
13. That's one example. Shall I show you some more? If you want to keep lying. You're caught. I've got some, please. Of course. Shall I show you some more examples? Why would you be asking a 23-year-old if she's a schoolgirl? Drop the act. Okay?
Yeah.
How old is the girl you're here to meet?
Sorry?
How old is the girl that you're here to meet? Should we show you some more? Jog your memory. That's it, you sigh. Oh look, she said she's 13. But you say, oh, but you look 17. Sorry?
Sorry, I'm sorry.
I can't hear you, I've got a bad ear.
Sorry, I'm
What are you sorry for?
For everything.
Yeah, what is for everything?
What I did.
For what you did. What did you do? I can't hear you, mate. You need to talk louder.
Sorry for everything. Sorry.
What is everything? What are you sorry for?
For these are things.
For what, sorry?
For these are everything.
Yeah, what is everything? Can you explain to me
I
what you're
can't-
sorry for exactly? What bit are you sorry for?
I'm talking with...
Are you going to school tomorrow? You're talking what, sorry?
Everything. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
about
what is
that.
everything? What are you sorry for?
Everything, everything, everything. I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, sorry for what? Don't you say sorry for everything?
Everything.
Okay?
Yeah.
Not everything. I want to know exactly what you're sorry for.
Sorry for everything.
Don't start crying. I'm telling you now, do not start crying. Okay?
Okay.
Are you sorry for making her watch porn?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Are you sorry for that, are you? Are you sorry for the 59 explicit images you sent to a child?
I'm sorry for about
Don't
that.
start crying, I'm
Why are
telling
you
you
crying,
now.
fella?
Because I did mistake.
It's not a mistake. Don't. It's not a mistake. Right? It's not a mistake. Are you sorry for sending all these videos? That's just one example, isn't it? Yeah. How many did you send to her? I guess. How many would you say you sent to her?
How many?
How many explicit images and videos would you say you sent to this child?
Too many, I think.
Yeah, definitely too many. One's too many. I'm asking how many do you think?
7.
7.
6.
6.
5, maybe.
5. So 7, 6, 5. 59 images and 9 videos. Dirty.
Yeah.
Yeah. Was they appropriate to send to a child?
I don't know about that.
You don't know about that? Why are you so sorry? No, don't cry. Because you've been caught. That's not going to work. We don't care about your tears. That's not going to get you out of this. Okay? Why was you asking her to send you indecent images of her chest?
Yeah, it's happening.
Sorry, can you speak
Speak
louder,
clearly.
please? Why did you... Yeah, go on.
You know, it's a big mistake to happening from me.
A mistake.
Yeah.
Is that what you call it, a mistake? Abusing children is not a mistake. It's abuse. You are 25 years old and you have arranged... Do not cry. You have arranged to come here... Hang on. You have arranged to come here today to meet a 13-year-old child to take back to your house and rape her.
No.
No? Do we need to go through the logs then?
No.
No? What was you...
Put your hands down.
No.
Put your hands. Keep your hands down there.
No.
What was you doing then? What did you want to meet the child
I'm
here
just
for?
coming here for meet her.
Yeah.
And nothing to do anything because, you know, it's long away from here. That is just talk.
It's not just talk. You're stood in the spot where you arranged to meet her.
Yeah.
It's not just talk. So you had full intention, you're here to meet her. So everything you've said in here, you intended to do. And there weren't much you didn't want to do to this child, and you planned to do to this child. Yeah, look, another image you sent her. Ask her if she wants to see your penis. Listen to me, please. Don't stand there crying. Ask her if she wants to see your penis. Why would a 13-year-old child want to see your penis?
That is not my picture.
I don't care. I don't care. Okay? Whose picture it is, you still sent it to that child, telling her it was yours. Didn't you? Didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look, there it is.
It's not me.
I don't care if it's you or not. It's still the same charge. Why would you ask a child, and I'll be polite, to put that in her mouth?
I'm very ashamed. Don't show
No,
me.
answer my question. I'm not caring about your shame, all right, and how ashamed you are. Answer the question. Why would you ask a child to put your penis in her mouth?
Answer the question.
I don't have any answer.
Well, it's obvious, isn't it? You have an attraction to children. You have an attraction to children.
No.
No.
But this is first time. First time.
Mate, listen. Don't matter about first time, second time, 10th time. It's not normal, all right?
Yeah.
By definition, you are a paedophile. This is probably your first time getting caught, okay?
Please don't do that. Please don't do
Don't
that.
don't you dare. Don't you dare cry.
Listen.
Do not, no, I'm not listening.
All life is spoiled. My parents sent to me here for study.
Excuse me, shush.
No.
Shush. I don't want to hear about your parents.
Yeah.
You ruined your parents.
Yeah.
You've done it.
Yeah.
You've also,
Yeah,
forget
I
your
done it.
parents,
I
excuse
done
me.
it. I done it.
Forget your parents.
I
You've
done
ruined this child.
I done it.
Listen.
I done it.
Listen.
Madam,
Shut
please.
up.
Yes.
Listen.
Please.
You ruined a child. Forget your parents. You've ruined a 13-year-old child.
Please.
No, not please. Shut up, saying please to me, okay? Look at me. You've ruined a child, okay?
Yes, sir.
I don't care about your family.
Yeah.
That's on your shoulders. You've ruined a child.
Yeah. Listen.
No, not yeah.
1 second.
Yeah, go on.
I
One
have-
second. What you got to
can
say?
you-
Please
can
don't
you
come at
listen?
me with your family crap, though, all right? Go on.
If you give me a one chance.
One chance to what?
if
Go
you-
and re-offend?
No.
There is no one chance, second chance in these situations. You've done the damage.
Yeah, I done.
Yeah.
I
You've
done.
abused a child.
Yeah, I done.
Right.
Listen. If you give
Yeah,
me.
go on. Yeah, go on. If I give you what? A chance?
If
Yeah,
you
go
give
on.
me a chance.
Yeah.
I swear to my mom everything. I can do anything. If you please give me
You
one
swear
chance.
what? If we give you another chance, you swear what? You're going to say you won't do it
But
again?
if
Ain't you?
you can. What you said, I will do.
What do you mean what we say you do?
Anything.
What we want is for you.
No.
What we want is for you not to talk to children, not to
Okay.
abuse children, not to turn up to rape a child.
Never do it.
Dirty. You are a dirty, dirty dog.
Yes.
Yes, you are.
Yes. But
Right. What I want you to do is be honest. Okay? Now, where you work, and be careful what I say here, you spoke of getting her to drink alcohol, didn't you? This child.
no, I'm not.
Sorry? Do I need to turn to them logs
No,
as
no,
well?
no.
Excuse me.
Listen.
Yeah, go on.
I am working in a bar.
Yes.
You can my test. You can do my test.
Test what?
Well, I never drink.
I never said
alcohol.
you. I never said you. You wanted this child to drink alcohol. And what you stated was, these children that come to your bar, younger than this one, to drink, don't they?
No.
Is that what you
Sometimes
said?
happening. Sometimes happening. But
What's happening? Explain to me.
no,
Explain
that
to me
is-
what's
that
happening.
Is, that is not my bar. That is not my
I know
bar.
it's not your bar, but they come in with your friends, you said.
Friend?
They come in with your friends, is what you said.
Yeah. She's coming with her friends. They are enjoying party like
And how old
celebration.
are they? How old are they?
maybe 13, 14.
No, you said
That-
12. You stated 12.
Maybe.
What is a 12-year-old doing in your bar drinking alcohol with your friends?
With me? No, she's
With
coming.
your friends, I said. I'm repeating what you said.
She's
No,
coming
no, what?
with his friend. She's
Right.
coming with
How
his
old's
friend.
How old's his friend?
His friend, I think 20, 18, 20.
Right, why is it an 18, 20-year-old coming into a bar with a 12-year-old drinking?
I saw there. I saw there.
What?
I just see her.
Right. But you obviously think it's acceptable.
No.
No? So why don't you do something about it then? Why are you asking this child to drink and then trying to normalise it using this 12-year-old?
I never drink again.
I'm not asking whether you drink. Right? Get that out of your head. Okay? What I'm saying to you is, why are you using a 12-year-old coming into your bar with your friends to normalise it to this 13-year-old to get her to come and drinking in your bar?
That is not my bar. I was going...
Where you work. Okay, the bar where you work. All right? Let's not play on words.
Now I left that job. I am looking for security job.
Are you having enough? Security? You want security work?
No.
Can I explain something to you?
Yeah.
There's no way on this earth after today you're going to get security work because you will be on the sex offenders register, okay? You will be going to prison, hopefully. Hopefully that will happen. But mark my words, today you will be getting arrested by the police, all right? And with the evidence and with the cases that normally, what the outcome of normal cases, you are going to be on a sex offenders register. You will have a shop order. You are going to be known as a paedophile. Because by definition, a paedophile is somebody who has an attraction to children. This shows you have.
Listen, madam. Can
Don't
I
madam me, please.
What can I say?
Nothing. Just
Listen.
Yeah.
I accept everything. I do mistake.
Right,
I did mistake.
Yeah.
I don't know what is mistake. You call it's mistake or something else.
Right, so if you accept what you've done, you can accept that comes with a punishment. Okay?
I'm ready for punishment.
Sorry? You're ready for the punishment?
Yes.
And your punishment is... Let me explain. Hang on, shush. Let me explain what your punishment is. The punishment is the police coming here. All right? That's your first...
No.
That's your first punishment.
No.
Right?
Please,
Stop
no.
crying.
Please,
Stop crying.
please, no.
Stop crying.
Please, no.
Stop.
Because...
Stop.
I beat my...
Shut up. All right? No. Don't stop crying like a baby now. What do you think this child's doing? Because of what you've done to her?
No. Please, no, police.
Calm yourself down and calm down.
Please.
Oh, shut up. That's
You just
ridiculous.
said you're prepared to take the punishment. My colleague's explaining what the punishment is, so take it like he's just said to you.
my
Stop
degree is
crying
going to
and carry on answering the questions.
Don't.
No.
All right?
Listen.
What about this child's parents? What about how they feel?
Yeah, if I am parent, I will kill to someone if someone do with my children.
Have you got children?
No.
Okay.
No. For example,
So how would,
if
you have
someone...
how would you have a clue how a parent would feel then? You haven't got children. How would you have any idea of how that makes them feel or what damage it does to the whole family? Can you look at me when I'm talking to you, please? Hello?
Yes, please. Listen. This is all my chat.
Listen.
This is all my
you
chat.
wasn't, yeah, it is.
This is...
You wasn't so upset, was you, when you was writing to the child? Asking him to do stuff, begging her for pictures.
It's my mistake, please.
You was really excited about today, wasn't you? Really excited. You thought it was your Christmas come early, I think you said. This was your Christmas come early, no? Is that what you said to the child?
Please forgive me for that.
Skipping along, couldn't wait to get here. And do you know what?
I don't have any answer.
You know.
I don't.
Sorry, kind
You know. Excuse me. You know how wrong it is. Because
Yes.
you're stood up here watching down on the spot where you was meant to meet the child. Why are you hiding? Why are you hiding up here? Answer the question. Why are you hiding up here? Why are you not down there meeting the child?
So what? Too many cold. That's why I'm coming here.
It's because it's cold. So it took you to come to the top floor to spy out of a window to see when that child comes out because it's cold. You couldn't have stood downstairs, no?
I just come here. I come into
We've
first
watched you.
time.
We've watched you. We've watched you coming along. We've seen what you've done. Okay? Please, don't take us for fools.
No, you can...
Be honest.
Please check on my mobile.
No, leave your phone alone. Don't put your hands in your pockets.
Okay.
Why would you want sex with a child? What's that about? What's that? What are you sending that to a child for?
This is not me.
Sorry?
This is not me.
This isn't you. All of a sudden, these logs aren't you.
I just send it. This is...
I'm not saying it's you in the picture. It's clear to see it's not you, isn't it? Let's be honest,
Yeah.
right? Why have you sent it to a child?
It's a mistake.
Sorry?
It's a mistake. By me.
A mistake.
No mistake. I can...
No, a mistake would be
Look
if
at
you
my
run,
colleague when she's out speaking to you.
a mistake would be if you run down the road too quick and fell over on the ice. You weren't being careful. That's a mistake. Turning up and arranging to meet a child to rape them, which is what it is not a mistake.
Yes,
It's
not...
deviancy. You're a deviant. Okay? Lowest of the low. You don't get worse crimes than this. You don't. telling you it's going to be very enjoyable when you have sex. Oh, you want to take her to your house again, isn't it? Who do you live with?
live in Red Bridge.
Sorry?
Red Bridge.
No, who do you live with?
I live with some Indian people and...
Some who, sorry?
Indian people.
Yeah, who are they?
What do you mean?
Are they family? Are they friends?
No, they are not my friend.
Are you over here on a student visa?
Yes, I have.
You're over here on a student visa?
Yes.
Oh, that'll be taken away.
No, please. No. Only one chance. Only one chance.
You had your chance when you got given that visa. That's when you had your chance.
How long have you been over here for on your visa? Sorry?
6 months.
You've been here 6 months. How many children? This is just one I'm talking about at the moment. This is one, right? How many more children are you talking to? And don't lie because we know.
No one.
Liar.
No. Listen.
You can't even be honest. Don't be looking at the paperwork trying to work out how many more we've got.
No one.
Okay?
I just
How many more?
Just send request so many people and I just
How
sent,
many more children are you talking to? Be
Children?
honest. Yes, underage girls. How many more?
I think one to maybe.
One or two more?
One, maybe.
No, be
No.
honest.
Yes.
No, be honest. Okay then.
You know, yesterday.
How old, excuse me, how old are the other children you're willing to admit? How old are they?
Which?
The ones that you've admitted to talking to, apart from this one that I've already spoken about, how old are they?
13.
Well, there's obviously more, isn't there? How many more?
1, 2.
So that's 2 13-year-olds you're admitting to so far. We know of others. How many more?
2.
How old is the other one then? 2 13-year-olds, and how old's the other one?
I don't know about age, maybe 13, 14.
Right, keep going, then there's more, isn't there? So that's 3. How many more?
That's it, only 2, 3.
Only 2 or 3.
2, I
So
think. I
you're
said
sitting
2.
there, you're lying still, but okay. You're standing there asking for a chance because this is the first time. You've just admitted to 3. We know of more. You've just admitted to 3 children. So that's 3.
No meeting. Just it's Facebook. Just talking with them. Nothing else.
It's not just talking.
No.
Keep your hands down, please.
This girl. I talking only with this girl. Not.
You've just admitted to 3. We know of more.
No. Yes, but I sent you a request, but not talking with them like that. Not talking with
Yeah,
them.
but that's what you said about this one, isn't it? Well, I'll explain to you. All the children you are talking to, when the police come, they will take your device away and they will download it. And if you've deleted, they will be able to get back.
50?
What?
What you said? 50, lady?
I said, when the police arrive, they will take your device. All the children that you're talking to,
Okay.
right, they will be able to get all the evidence on. Even if the ones you've deleted and all the evidence you've deleted, they can get back.
Yeah, I can.
Yes,
I
yes.
know. Yeah, I know it will be
So
back.
you're not going to get done for one child. You're going to get done for them all. Now, there's a pattern, isn't there? Tell me you're not attracted to children when you're talking to several.
Not
One
so.
shows an attraction. When you're talking to several children, what does that tell you?
I'm talking with some, this guy.
Hand down. Keep your hand down.
It's my habit like that.
No, keep your hands to yourself, okay?
down to your side.
Keep them there where you've got them folded, held, whatever you want to call it. Keep going.
I sent a request too many people when I came here. Too many people,
Okay.
Maybe 100.
That's fine.
There is an option added. I did.
Do you know the problem is though?
Yeah.
The ones you're adding, their look is blatantly of children. Young children. Okay? Why? You see their picture first. Before you do anything, you don't just press a button, you see their picture. Right? So you see their children. Now, you've requested 100, you're saying. How many of those were children?
Maybe 10 children. 10 because no. When there is an option.
Yeah, I know how it works. Now listen to me. You've just admitted to 10 children at least that you've
But I am talking only with
You've just said 3.
No, just talking only. Hello, hi. Just that's it. Nothing else.
Well, going by these logs, that's how you started with this one. I'm very quick. Very, very quick.
I'm not sending to anyone these stuff.
Listen, very quickly.
Yeah.
With just these logs I've looked at so far here in front of me, these first ones.
Mm-hmm.
Straight away you was in there. Grooming, sexual, okay? So, I don't believe 1 second, not that we don't know.
No, you,
Shh.
I think...
Listen, I'm not finished. I don't believe 1 second, he wasn't saying all the other children. Like I say to you, it is all going to come out. There is no getting away with it. All the children you spoke to. Do you do this on your own?
What?
Do you do this on your own?
Can't understand what you mean.
Do your friends do it with you? Is what I mean.
No.
Sorry?
No. No one doing with me.
No? Okay. What do you like about young girls? What do you like about children?
You know, this is first time.
No, it's not. Listen, it's okay.
It's
Okay
my
then.
first
Okay,
time.
let's pretend it's your first time. Let's pretend there's no other children. What did you like about this particular child then? If this is the only one you've gone sexual with, which we know it's not, but let's just say it is. What about this child did you like? What was it about this child that turned you on and got you aroused? That was a question, by the way. Could you answer?
I don't have any question because it's...
No, I'll give you the question. Answer my question.
Yeah.
Right. What about this child did you find attractive? What has made you turn up today to rape her?
I'm not raped.
Having sex, right, with a girl underage is rape. Statutory rape. They cannot give consent. It's rape.
But I never did any.
You've turned up to do it. We've stopped you from doing it. We've stopped you. You was here with intention. You're here, overlooking the spot where the child was meeting you. Okay?
No, Listen.
Right, go on.
Listen.
Yeah, go on.
To be honest, when I came here,
Yeah.
it's long journey from here. Please don't do that. Please don't do that.
Stop crying.
Please don't do that.
Stop crying.
God's fear, please don't do that.
Excuse me?
I can do anything.
Do what?
No, don't call the police, please. My whole life is full. Please, sir, please, my whole life is full, please.
Get up. Get up. Get up. Get
Please,
up.
my whole life.
Excuse me?
Please, you are
You was man enough to turn up to meet a child. You're man enough to stand still.
Please.
Stop.
Please,
Pathetic.
sir, don't do that, please.
Pathetic.
No.
Pathetic.
Please don't.
All about yourself. Can you imagine this? Can you imagine what the child's like at the moment?
Please don't do that.
Hey! Get off my feet! Excuse me. Get off. Stand still.
You are looking
Don't
like...
touch.
You are looking
Don't
like...
touch.
Please forgive me, my whole life is
Go for it.
full.
Right, I want to ask you a question. How old do you have to be to have sex in your country? What's the age limit? 18. Yeah, we know. So why are you coming to this country on a visa?
I'm coming here for study. I'm coming here for study. I'm coming here.
And you're abusing young children.
Please forgive me, my mom.
Stop it. We've got no sympathy. Please, you're wasting your breath. You're wasting your breath.
We've seen hundreds of you. We've seen hundreds of people like you.
No, sir.
Right? And you stand there crying and go, but you're still abusing our children. And we're not having that no more.
I did.
We're not having it no more.
Mistake. I did mistake. Please forgive me.
It's more than a mistake.
No mistake.
You've damaged this child.
Listen, you've already abused this child. Okay, you've already done damage. You stand there crying now. What do you think this child's doing? What do you think this child's parents doing?
Yeah.
Don't. Do not expect anybody to have sympathy for you. Don't.
I don't have
What's
any
your
answer.
parents going to say when they find out about this?
If you...
Because you're going to be sent back to India.
If they come here... No, please.
You
no.
are going back to India. You're not going to be allowed in this country because you've abused the system.
No, please. No, please.
Have your parents sacrificed to send you over here?
No, please.
Listen to what I'm saying. Shut up with the silliness. Oh, for God's sake.
Madam, please.
No, don't madam me. Listen,
please,
answer my question. No, listen, you're wasting your breath because we're not listening to you and your crap, okay? Have your parents sacrificed to bring you over here to study?
Yes.
Yes.
And you've abused
Is it
them.
wasted?
No, this is wasted. Please forgive me, my whole life is spoiled. Please save my life.
Who cares about your life? You abused a child.
No, ma'am.
Right?
I forgive
What about
her
the
mom.
child's... No. What about the child's life? What about the child's life? Answer me that. What about the child's life?
It will be spoiled if I do anything. Yeah, I know.
There's nothing you can do,
Yeah.
okay, to take back what you've already done to a child. Okay? So, again, I'll ask you, what about this child's life? All you're concerned about is yours at the moment. Excuse me, focus. What about this child's life?
It will be spoiled.
It's already spoiled.
No, already.
You did that. You did that to a little girl. A few little girls.
No.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Please don't call the police.
What do you want to say to the child? What do you want to say to this child that you've come here to rape today?
I'm not going to do it.
You're not now because we stopped you, but you had full intention of it. Stop lying.
No, just coming for
Say it again. You're not even thinking of the child. What do you want to say to this child that you was here to rape today?
Listen.
Answer my question. What do you want to say to the child that you was here to rape today?
No.
No. You just want to say to her no?
Yeah.
What about the child's parents? What do you want to say to the child's parents? The little baby that you've just damaged.
Say we was the parents. Don't care though, do you? It's all about you. Another one where it's all about you.
Please forgive me.
No one
Stop.
chance, no
Stop.
half chance.
You're wasting your breath.
If you no,
You're wasting. You've done the damage. You've done the damage. You've done the crime, and now you're going to pay for it. There is no second chances. There is no getting away with it. There is nothing you could possibly do.
only one chance.
There is no.
Please,
no.
only one
one
chance.
chance. What? Oh, because it's only one child you've damaged. We know there's more. Are you saying Allah?
He's the girl, yeah.
Are you saying Allah?
Yes.
Okay. What do you think he's going to think about what you've done?
Please forgive me.
Are you really?
My brother,
Are you really
my mom.
asking? Are you really asking for your God's help right now? Are you really asking for your God's help right now? You wasn't thinking about your God. Shut up. You wasn't. Excuse me. Shut up. Shut up. Listen, you're doing me nothing. Just be
Forgive
quiet.
me. Don't call to the police.
Too late. They're on their
do
way.
anything.
No, not interested. Not interested. Not interested.
I do anything. I do
There's nothing you
anything.
can do.
You wasn't thinking about your God, was you, when you was abusing this child? That's good. You have a good view up here when the police come.
Please forgive me.
Stop asking. It's too late. All right, deal with it. Deal with it. Too late. Deal with it. There's nothing you could do or say or even offer us that would stop us now from handing you over to the police.
Please don't do that. Please don't do that.
Okay.
My life is spoiled.
Your life is spoiled. Oh
My
my
life will
God.
be spoiled.
What about the children? Excuse me. Shut up.
Auntie, you are looking like Asian. Please.
Listen to me. Oi, you bean. Listen. You talk about your life being spoiled. Selfish. What about the kids that you've just damaged? And their life spoiled? A child hasn't even had a chance
Please
yet.
forgive me. Please forgive me.
Nothing to... No,
Please
mate. There's no
forgive me.
forgiveness for this sort of crime.
Please forgive me. Only one
Can you
child.
stop asking me that?
Yes,
Because
no,
you're
no,
annoying
please
me.
forgive
Stop.
me.
Stop.
You are like mother, please, my mother, like, please, my mother.
What?
You are like my mother. You are like
Nothing
my
like your
mother.
mother. Nothing like your mother. Nothing.
No,
Do you know
no.
what? I am a mum, though. I am a mum. You're right. And I'll tell you what. I ain't even going to go down that route, mate.
Please, sorry, please.
I feel sorry for you,
You
mum.
can beg all you want, you ain't going to get no sympathy out of me. You're looking at the wrong person, mate. I do this because I love kitchen.
None of
None of us have sympathy for people.
I've got grandchildren, I've got children. Do you think I want people like you abusing my children? No. It's wrong.
Yes, it
And
is.
what you've done is wrong.
Instead of begging, when the police get you, you be honest. You
Yeah,
tell them
that's
the
the
whole
best thing you
truth.
can do.
You tell them everything. If you want forgiveness from Allah,
Be
you tell
honest.
the whole truth.
Please forgive me.
Please stop asking that. We've just told you there is no
We
forgiveness.
don't forgive, mate.
It's boring. Alright? Stop.
I have only one reason. Please save my
You
life.
only what?
Only one reason. Please save my life.
Save your life?
Yeah, because you know my degree is going to complete in 14 December. Please forgive me.
What is gonna complete in 14 days?
My degree is going to complete.
Oh, hang on a minute. Save your... Hang on. So what you're concerned about is, right, in 14... Hang on, shush. Shush, my turn to talk. Shush. In 14 days' time, your degree finishes. So you want us not to say anything because you want your degree.
No.
Sod off.
No.
Sod off. I'm glad we got you 14 days before your degree's finished, because you don't deserve it.
No.
You don't deserve to go on in life. Because I'll tell you what, the children you abuse, it damages them that much. They don't, half of them don't have the opportunity to get a degree. Because their mind is too occupied with what people like you have done to them. Shut up. Now, you're getting on my nerves. Shut up. No. Don't keep asking me. Don't keep asking us to forgive you. Alright? You selfish little man.
Can you mind?
Please.
Fucking disgusting.
Please.
Listen.
Nah.
Stop. Is that what you've got to say? Please.
Only one chance. I will die, please, one chance. Madam, please, one chance.
Listen, there's no other way I can say to you, no.
Madam, please, one chance. I don't do anything.
You can't even see a tear. You can't even see a tear. That's what they were saying.
No, I know
Shall I
you.
tell you when your chance was? When you was born. Okay? That's when your chance was. Right? To live a decent life. To protect children. That's when your chance was. That went out the window when you abused a child. There ain't another chance. There ain't another chance.
Please save my life. Please.
Save your life?
Yes, please. Please.
No, how about you please save children's lives
No.
and stop abusing them?
Please, one time. Please, only last time. Please don't do that. Please don't call to anyone. I can do anything but you want.
Okay, I'll tell you what I want you to do.
Yeah.
You got a time machine? Can you go back and undo the damage you've done to this child? That's what I want you to do.
I go back?
Can you go back in time and save this child from the abuse that you've just given her? Can you go back?
I ask her mom to for forgiveness. Forgiveness
No,
from the girl.
no. Listen to what I'm saying. The only thing you can do that makes this right is to go back in time, okay, time travel, and not do it.
No,
is that
it's
possible?
not possible.
Exactly. That's all you can do.
No.
And it's not
You
possible.
Can. It's you. You can do. You can do. Please.
I ain't got no time
You
machine.
can
What are you
do.
talking about?
No, you can do. You
I can do
you
what? What can I do? You tell
can
me.
forgive me. Only
I can forgive you.
us.
I'd never forgive someone like you.
Please, kind of you.
Never.
Please, kind of you. Please,
Never.
Kind of you, madam.
It's not my place to forgive you anyway. I'm not the one that you've damaged.
Please, kind of
I
you.
ain't the one that you damaged. Right?
My mom, my dad.
Now, I'll tell you what.
My mom will be
I don't care about your mum. You did it to her, not us. I'll tell you what. You ask when you see.
Please, forgive me.
Shut up and listen.
No, sir, please, forgive me.
The person you need forgiveness from is the child. Shut up. I'm talking. Shut up. The person you need forgiveness from is the child you abused and her parents. Do you think for 1 second they're going to forgive you?
No.
No.
But.
No, there's no buts. There's no buts. There's no buts.
Listen, please.
Do you think the parents are going to forgive you?
I will.
Do you think any of the kids are going to forgive
I will ask her mom.
And what do you think your mum's going to do to you?
Forgiveness.
Are you really going to stand in front of a child?
Forgiveness.
Shush, listen.
Forgiveness.
Have you really got the front to stand in front of an abused child's parents and ask them to forgive you for what you've done to their children?
Please.
How do you think that's going to go? Listen, I'm asking you a question. How do you think that's going to go down? What do you think is going to happen if you're stood in front of that child's parents? What do you think is going to happen? What do you think is going to happen? What would happen in... Okay, then what would happen in your country? If you abused a child in your country, what would the punishment be?
It's all right.
What would the punishment be?
The punishment, I don't know about that punishment. Madam.
What would the punishment be in your country?
Listen.
I'm listening.
Only one thing.
Answer my question first. What is the punishment in your country? What would happen to someone like you in your country if you touch a child over there?
Punishment, I think.
You don't really need to think about it.
15 days or 1 month in jail or...
A month in jail? I don't think so, mate.
Maybe, I don't know.
I think it's a lot harsher over there.
Listen.
I think people would get their hands on you, wouldn't they?
Listen.
Hang on, no, answer the question. I haven't finished
no.
this one yet. People would get their hands on you over there, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what would they do to you?
You can do anything.
What?
You have right because
no,
you know.
no.
Listen one thing.
No.
Listen one
It's
thing.
not like that. It's not like that.
Listen my one. Listen my. Please.
I'm bored of listening to you because it's all like rubbish.
I do this. I do all this.
Yeah.
I did mistake. I forgive you. Oh,
You
so
forgive me?
no. Sorry, Mr. Please forgive me. Only one chance in my all
Mate.
life. Only one chance. Listen. If you send me back, if you send me back, if you send me
Yeah,
back,
go on.
if you send me back,
Yeah.
my whole life is spoiled. I have you. I know you have questioned that. What happened if you do this all thing and about that girl? What about his life, her life? I know it's spoiled. Please forgive me. One chance. Don't call to the
It's
police.
falling on deaf ears. You're not listening, are you? Listen, I don't want to hear it.
I know,
None of
I
us
know
wanna
it's
hear it.
failure.
There is no
I
forgiveness.
know.
There is no forgiveness for this. Okay?
I have
None.
no reason.
Listen.
I have.
None.
I forgive.
You forgive what?
If you call her
Anyone
mom
knows where
and
you are, stay
mom,
away
if
from
you
the
call her
location.
girl mom and that
Yeah.
girl,
Don't put it on
I
here.
put in. I sit in her feet. You know, I
What? Say
sit-
that again? You'd what? You'd fall at her feet?
No.
What did you say?
If you call that lady, the girl and Lola and the other, his mom.
Shut your mouth. Don't mention names, right?
Okay. I please forgive me one time,
Well, that's what you want to do. You want me to ring them so you can ask them for forgiveness.
please.
Do you really think I'd
If
insult
they
anybody
forgive
like
me.
that? Do you
If
really
they
think...
forgive me.
Shut up.
If they forgive me.
They wouldn't forgive you. I'm telling you that now.
Please.
There is no forgiveness for this. And you know it.
Yeah, please.
And you know it.
Please.
No,
one
stop
time.
crying like a little baby.
No, please, one time.
Stop crying. Not interested.
Please forgive me, please.
Stop asking for forgiveness.
Give me,
No, listen,
give me
listen.
punish. Give me punish.
I'm giving you the punishment. We are giving you the punishment. Please,
But-
no way. That is the
No,
punishment.
no.
Yes,
You
yes,
give
yes.
me punish.
No,
You give me
no,
punish.
no,
No.
no.
Please,
No.
don't call to the
This
police.
is your
You give me
punishment.
punish. I
I'm
pay.
giving you
I pay fine. I will pay fine. I will pay anything. I
You
will
want
do
to
anything.
pay to
Fine.
get out
No,
of child abuse?
no. For
Do you
no for
understand what that indirectly is?
No for child.
Do you understand
No.
indirectly what that is?
No.
To abuse a child, then pay your way out of it. Do you understand what that is?
No. Listen.
You're basically paying for a child's services, is what you're doing.
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
Please
Makes
do
it
me,
worse.
do me any.
insult to injury,
Listen,
isn't it?
listen, madam.
You can't get out of this with money, all right? There is no bribes. Listen.
You are for
Shut
here.
up.
You are for here.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Okay.
Right? Shut up.
Okay.
All right?
Listen.
Shut up. All right? There is no way of getting out of this, whether it's with money, whether it's with blood, no matter what. There's no way of getting out of this
Give
now.
me punish. Don't.
I'm
call to
punishing
the
you.
police.
The police are coming.
No.
All right?
No,
We ain't the ones.
No,
we ain't the ones that punish you. The police decide what you get.
Please, give me punish. Here.
Here we are.
No call to the
Police are coming
police.
to get
No.
them.
No,
This is what we do. We catch you for the police and let them deal with it.
No, please don't.
You've done the deed.
My life.
You're looking really pathetic at the moment. Do you know that? Pathetic little paedophile crying like
My
a
whole
baby.
life is spoiled. Please forgive me one time. Please forgive me one time.
Shut
God
up.
swear.
Don't want to hear it. all
God
right?
swear. Please give me one time. You can do. I can do anything you do. You ask to me. Give me punish. Give me any punish here. Give me any punish here. Please give me any punish here.
Yeah.
Don't call the police.
You should have a lifetime of punishment for what you've done.
No.
That's what happens to the
Only one
children.
time. Only one time, madam. Please.
A lifetime of
Please,
punishment.
you are mom. Please.
It's not
You
one
are
time.
mom. Please.
It's not one time.
Sorry, give me any punish.
Pathetic.
Give me any punish. If you ask to me, I will jump here.
No,
Give me any punish. Give me any punish, please, but don't call to the police.
So you'd rather
Please
jump
don't.
off a building top?
No.
Please,
If
shush,
you give me,
shush,
if you
shush.
give me a punish,
Listen.
if you give me a punish,
Shut up for a minute, all right? You've just said, if I tell you to, you'll jump off the building top, is what
yeah.
you just
If you
said.
say,
I say so, right. So you'd rather jump off a
Give me-
building top... Shush!
as a punishment,
My God.
as a punishment.
Shut up! All right? You would rather jump off the top of a building than face the police. Is that what you'd rather do? And you'd do that to your parents as well, would you? Coward.
Absolute coward.
Too late. They're on their way. Unlucky.
Lucky please, sir. Sir. Oh God, what I did. Please don't call the police. Madam, please don't call the police.
You should have thought about this before you've done what you've done.
Yeah, please don't call the police. Please forgive me only one time. Please forgive me one time.
Listen, you just
Please
make
forgive me one time.
You're a wind-up, you are. Keep going on. Please, please, please. How about we let you, please, 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 children alone?
Yeah.
Right?
I did mistake.
There's not even a tear.
No mistake.
You should be happy. You should be happy that it's us that got you and not the parents. You should be happy that it's us that caught you and not the parents, because I think the parents would have been a bit more naughtier.
If
At least we're going to treat you right. We're not harming you. You do your punishment.
Please, I will do anything. If you call her mother, I will put her feet. Please.
Don't even dare. No,
Please forgive me one time, only one time. Please forgive me. Please. Please.
I've told you so many times, stop.
Please.
I'm not interested. Right? You're just bugging me.
Madam,
The
please.
constant
Madam, my
begging.
all life is spoiled. My all life is going to spoil. All life is going to destroy.
Think about
Please.
yourself and yours.
No,
About
no,
children.
myself. Never do it again. Please, never. I will never do again.
Listen.
Please, this is my last and final mistake in all my life.
How about you
Please.
just shut up? All right, stop begging.
Don't
Don't get
call
anywhere.
the police inside, please.
Oh my God.
What can I say? My mom is... I have got image in front of my mom. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me only one time.
Have you been spoken to before by the police?
No. Yeah?
Have
Sorry?
you been spoken to the police before? Have the police spoke to you about this sort of thing before?
No, I can't understand.
Have the police spoken to you before
No,
in relations to this kind of offence?
no,
Are you sure about that?
yes. No one.
It's just an interesting phone call with the police. What have you done before? What have you done before?
I never done before anything. I never done before anything. I never done before anything. You can check my record.
Well, the police seem quite interested in what you've done previously.
No.
No? Okay. We'll wait for the police to get here.
What?
We'll wait for the police to get here then.
No.
Are you a re-offender?
What do you mean?
Are you a re-offender? Have you done this before?
No, never. Never in my life.
Well, we know you've dated other children, so that's a lie. But what I want to know is, have the police dealt with you before?
No. I don't go to police station before. In my whole life. Even in Pakistan. Even in here. Please, this was the last mistake. Please, was the last mistake. Please, please forgive me. Please. 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 I can't
What's your dad
understand.
going to say?
I did mistake. Please forgive me.
What's your dad going to say?
What?
Your dad, your father, what is he going to say?
To me?
The shame he's brought
What's he
on the
going to say
family.
about what you've done?
I can't face it.
You can't face him. What are you going to do then if you can't face
You
your
said
parents?
me. Please.
Answer the question. What are you going to do if you can't face your parents, right? And the chances are they're going to take away your visa. And you probably will have to go home to your family.
No.
What are you going to do if you can't face them?
I can't face anyone.
Sorry?
I can't face anyone. Please forgive me one
What's your
time.
way of dealing with it?
I don't have any word to say you. Please forgive me one time.
Not forgiving.
Please forgive me one time. Don't call to the police. My whole life is
It's
spoiled.
the worst crime you can commit.
Yeah, I did crime, but please forgive me.
Shut up! Alright? Oh, there's a tear. First one. There was a tear.
Please forgive me. My mom will die. My mom will die. They hurt very much to send me here. I did mistake. You know, all my life it's
You're
felt.
going to give me a right mind, you are. Right?
You know what? Everyone do mistake in your
No.
life. I am a
No.
human.
Everyone doesn't make this mistake in their life.
I've never made this
Alright?
mistake.
Don't try and belittle what you've
We are
done.
not saying
right?
mistake.
Do
We are not
not
saying-
offend a whole population of people that would never dream of even looking at a child the wrong way.
Please, ma'am.
Not everyone's made this mistake in their life. No.
No.
Only paedophiles make this mistake.
Put salt in my tea instead of sugar. That's a mistake.
Please, auntie, please.
This is fire.
Please, auntie. Please, uncle, sir. Please, ma'am. Please save me.
Stop
Only
saying,
one.
please save me. You've got no interest in helping you. Do you
Please, one
understand?
time.
No.
Please, one time. Last time.
Can you
Last
stop
time.
begging us?
Listen.
Alright? It's annoying.
Listen.
And it's frustrating.
Listen.
Stop.
Listen.
I
Listen.
don't want to listen. I don't want to listen to all the same stuff. We've gone through that about 20 times, at least. Don't want to hear it no more. Alright? Face the fact of there's no getting out of it. Alright? There's a saying. Who the crime?
I'm crying on my
Huh?
I'm crying on me.
Who cares if you're crying?
What I did.
You've had one tear so far. You've got a bit of a squeeze. Leave your phone. Leave your phone.
No.
Leave your phone.
I'll leave it.
That could be someone who's watching this. Because this is live at the moment. So there's people watching what's going on, and they've got people watching what you're doing. And what you've done. So that's probably someone ringing.
No, please don't do that.
Ali, what have you been doing?
Please don't do it. Please.
Who do you reckon it is on the phone? Your boss? Your parents?
I don't know who is. Don't know who is. Please don't do anything. Please don't call me. Please, only one chance in my life.
Listen, I've already told you, stop.
Please, one
Listen, we've
chance.
been through all that. You're not having another chance. You don't get another chance in these situations.
Please.
No,
Please.
no,
Please.
no.
Please.
If you've gone to the local shop and
Please,
stole
sir.
something,
Sir, please.
No, mate. No. Not for this, you don't.
Give me any punish. Give me any punish here. Give me any punish here.
We're offering your punishment. We called the police. That's your punishment.
No.
that's the only punishment
Don't
for
do
this sort of
that.
thing.
Don't
I'm
do
afraid.
that. Don't call the police. My Allah will. Please forgive me.
Mate, it's all on
Please
deaf
forgive
ears.
us.
Your energy. It's all on deaf ears.
Please forgive us.
We have no interest.
You are, I think, I know you are not interested. Only being a woman. Being a woman.
Just stop, right? You just blabber now, alright? It's pathetic.
Yeah.
Go on, close your eyes. You might have to squeeze a bit of tear out. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Go on, there's another one. Close your eyes. Press it. A bit more harder.
No, please.
A bit harder. You might get another one out.
Please, man. Please, man. Please, man.
Do you really think we've got any sympathy for you standing
If
in
you
front of
say, I live in your custody, please don't call to the police. I live in your custody. Please don't call.
you live in our custody?
Yeah, don't call to the police.
Look, listen, stop crying. I can't understand what you're saying. Say that again about crying. What did you say?
I live. Put me in your custody. In your custody, don't call to the police.
when you
And
might
give
be in our
me,
custody.
and give me any punish. I will.
Would you rather that we took you outside and absolutely beat the crap out of you? Is that what you want us to do? Is that what you want us to do? No, I'm asking you a question. Is that what you want us to do?
No,
You want us to take you outside and give you a dig?
no,
Is that what you're saying?
no.
So then what are you saying?
I don't have any question.
What do you think an appropriate punishment is for what you've done?
Sorry?
What do you think an appropriate punishment is for what you've done?
Give me any punishment.
No, I'm asking you.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another tear. Catch it. There is another one. Left on that side of his face. What do you think an appropriate punishment is? What do you think should happen to somebody like you that's done this to a child? If it was your child, what would you want to happen to the person that's done it to your child? Or to your little sister?
I will kill her.
Huh?
I will kill her.
You'd kill them.
Yeah.
You'd kill her or him?
Then.
You'd kill
who
the
is
person or the sister?
Yeah. Yeah.
You'd kill the sister as well?
No.
You'd kill the person who's done it to your sister?
Yeah.
So if someone did it to one of yours, you'd kill them. You do it to somebody else's.
Yes, please kill
Shush a minute, I haven't finished. And you expect to stand there and cry and be on your way? Don't make sense, that, does it?
Yes.
So you realise how serious it is because you'd want to kill them. Don't you? There's no getting out of this. There's no bribery, there's no nothing.
Madam, please forgive me. Only
Stop
one
saying
time.
please forgive me because
Please,
it's no
only
forgiveness
one
for this
time.
crime.
Yes,
No.
I know. Please, only one.
Let's go back to the question of what have you got to say? Start, shut up crying,
I
please.
don't have any
What would you say? What have you got to say to the child that you've damaged?
Sorry?
What have you got to say to the children that you've damaged?
What's she saying?
What have you got to say to the child that you've damaged? What would you like to say to her? And don't say sorry. What would you like to say to her?
If she is here, I will ask her, please forgive me. Only forgiveness. Only because, only
It's too late for forgiveness though, isn't it? The damage is done.
No.
No.
It will be happen. If it will be happen.
No, listen to what I'm saying. Listen, right? Open your ears up. Stop thinking about yourself. You've already damaged a child, okay? With this, right? We're only talking about this one child at the moment. You've already done the damage. There is no saying sorry and it going away. That child is now damaged for life, okay? So saying to a child, please forgive me, ain't gonna do anything. Are you listening?
Only one time, please. Please forgive me one time
The
only.
police are really, really interested in you for some reason. Never had the police react like this before.
No, please.
Even with no reoffenders. Interesting. Possibly. Do you harass children in your area?
No,
Do you chase girls around the street harassing them?
no, never. No, please.
Stay there, don't you?
Please. Please forgive
Stop
me. Please.
begging.
Please forgive me. Please forgive
How many
me.
times has someone say to you,
Please forgive me.
there is no forgiveness?
Please, only one time. I am a woman. I did mistake. I know I did mistake. I am
It's
a
not a
woman.
mistake.
Yes.
You're a paedophile, you have an attraction to children.
Please, only one time. Please, only
Only
one
one
time.
time?
Only in one
Oh my
life.
God.
Please.
There is no one
Please,
time.
yeah.
There is no
This is
one
first
time.
time. This
Shush,
is first
shush,
time.
shh,
First time, madam. Please.
There is no one time, right? There is no one time. Right?
One
What I say
time.
to you is, please don't hurt children. All right? Let's beg you, the way you do it with your hand gestures. Please don't hurt children. All right? Please don't. Look, I'll even get my hands and knees for you. Please don't hurt children. All right? Do you get it now? Do you get it now? Yeah. Unfortunately, when you have an attraction to children, it doesn't stop with people begging because it's inside you.
What's that over there?
Oh, might be your mate radio. They're looking this way as well.
Yeah,
Wave.
they just waved at us.
Yeah, wave.
That's your taxi.
Please, only one time.
Wave. Come on, wave to the police. They just waved at you. Hey,
My
please just
mom
wave.
will die.
Have some respect.
My brother will die. My parents will die.
Have some respect.
Only
Your
one
parents
time.
will die. What if the child takes her own life because of what you've done?
I know. Madam.
No, don't madam me. Don't madam me. All right?
Only one
Like you're a
child.
respectful person.
Only one child.
It's shared in Pakistan.
I will die.
It's been shared in your country.
This has been shared in your country,
It's been
right?
shared in your country.
This video is in your country. Just so you know.
No, please, no.
Can you get your hand away?
No, please don't.
See what this is all you. No one else's fault, just you.
Please.
This is what happens when you abuse children.
Be quiet, please.
Please,
Come on, Annie, man up, mate.
don't call the police. Only one time, God swear, one time.
It's not work, yeah? Keep crying then.
It's only one time. Please forgive me. One time, please, madam.
It's too late. Ellie, it's too late. The police are there. They're going to come down. They're going to handcuff you up. They're going to put you in the back of the van because you abuse children. And that's all it is. You're a child molester.
No,
You're an abuser.
I'm not molester.
What's all that paperwork?
You're only
Says
one
it
time.
all.
Only one
Says it all, mate.
Please forgive me.
Don't touch her. Don't touch
Madam,
her
please
sister.
forgive me. Please forgive me. My whole life is spoiled. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. Sir, please forgive me one time. Sir, what can I do? Sir, madam, please don't do that.
Say where you are.
Stay there. Stay there.
Please don't do that.
Yeah, look. Ellie,
Don't do that.
look. Here they come. See the white triangle?
No, sir, please don't do that. Please don't do that. Please don't do that.
You shouldn't abuse children.
That was always going to happen. Don't mad at me. That was always going to happen as soon as you abuse a child.
Please, madam. Please, madam.
Wave.
My
Wave
own
at me.
life is
Don't be
difficult.
rude. Wave at the police. They're waving at you.
Madam, no. Please.
Don't keep mad at me, please.
Please.
Don't keep mad at me. No.
Please,
Oh, shut up. Going on. Please, please, please.
Please. Please.
Yeah, that is the last time you've said it now.
Please.
All right?
Please.
You just said please for the last time. Last time's done. Now shut up about it, please.
Please.
Shut up.
Please. Please forgive me.
What makes you think? What in your head, right? Listen to me now, right? Don't interrupt me. What in your head thinks?
Please.
Shut up.
Please. My head thing. Please.
I've got to laugh because you just don't shut up, does it? You've done this. You've caused every bit of this. This is all your fault.
Yes,
So now you have to take the punishment for what you have done. We've treated you all right. It could have been worse. You could have had another team here that would give you a beating. But we don't do
Don't
that.
send me with
Like to, but
Please.
You're lucky you've got us here and not the parents.
Please. 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 Oh, my God, please. Please forgive me.
Be quiet. No, there's no please. Stop. You're making it worse. Do you understand that? Right? You're making it worse.
I thought he was going to
If
take
anything,
the
you're
punishment.
better off just standing there and shutting up. Oh, here they are.
Please.
They're making their way in.
Please, only one time. Please don't send me.
no one's going to forgive you. Not even your own God is going to forgive you for this. Don't you get that? It's the lowest.
Listen to the lady. She's right what she's
It's the
saying.
lowest. Your God's never going to forgive you. No one will forgive you. The kid certainly won't.
Listen to her.
One
Look
time
at
God
me.
for-
She's talking to you, not me.
It's rude because he knows it's the truth and he knows it's disgusting.
Do you think your parents will forgive you?
You ain't even a rat, mate. You're worse than a rat.
Do you think your parents will forgive you? Answer the question.
Yes, maybe.
What, they will
They'll
forgive
forgive
you?
you, will they?
Maybe.
Do you think, okay, then maybe if they're not too bothered about child abuse, do you think they're going to forgive you for the money? Hang on, for the money they've paid out and sacrifices they've made to put you through education that is now going to be wasted? Because I tell you what, I'm going to ring your university. I'm going to make sure they're fully aware of what you've done.
Yeah, send you the job.
Okay?
Please, one time, only one time.
Seeing as that's all you seem to be bothered about.
Please, one time. What can I do? Please give me any punishment. Please don't send me with police. I never done it again. I never do it in my
That's what they all
life.
say until
I
they
never
reoffend the
did
next
it.
time, and the next time, and the next time.
No.
More children, more child victims.
Never. No.
Oh, don't be rude. No, come on now, don't be silly.
What's that? What is it?
Yes.
What is it?
It's your
Is that your
taxi.
taxi? Is
It's
that
your
your taxi?
taxi.
Please forgive me.
Please. Please leave our children alone.
I can't wait to see
Yeah?
when they get on your phone.
Please leave that. I must be nice. Why are you not answering?
Never happen again.
Never happened again. Should have happened the first time. Should have happened in the first place. We wouldn't be
It's the first time. Yeah, it's first time.
You've admitted to talking to several children. What are you talking about? It's the first time.
No.
It's the first time you might have been caught. But we'll see what the police say about that. It's not the first time you've done it. It's not the first time you've done it.
Do they want us to walk in there?
I swear it's first time. You can check my device. You can check my
The police will be. The police will be, forensically. whole lot.
Do you have any more devices at home?
Of course you do. You've got a laptop. You've got a laptop.
I don't.
What do you do your work on then for university? Stop lying. Because I'll tell you the other thing police will do. They'll all go to your property. Shush. Listen, I'm giving you information here. They'll go to your property. Oh look, you stopped crying quick enough. Oh look at that. They'll go to your property. They'll do what's called a Section 18. And they will go through there and they'll take every single device you've got that links to the internet. That's what they do. Okay?
They're going to search your house. They're going to search your property where you live. They're going to take everything. They're going to take your laptop, anything. Your PlayStation, your Xbox. Yeah, Ellie. Put it there. Put it there.
My mom will kill. My mom will die. My mom will die, please.
You shouldn't have touched their kids, mate. You shouldn't have touched their children.
Yeah, I never did again. I never do again.
It's too late. You've already done the damage. Already done the damage. So now you pay the consequences.
It don't matter if you do it again or not. You've done it. It's already done. You've already committed that crime. The worst crime.
And if you do it again and you get caught, you're going to definitely go.
Can you see them? Look, they're walking through the snow.
I am very ashamed. Please don't do that. Please, give me one time. Only give me one time.
It's not a decision to make. It's up to the police. No,
you
you
can
speak
do.
to the
You
police.
have every right.
We just highlight you to the old bill. That's what we do.
What are you
And they
studying?
decide.
What do you study at uni? Business. Not very clever then, do you?
We all know what your business is, don't we? The whole world will know what your business is. Children.
All right, this is Ellie. Ellie's here to meet a 13-year-old girl. I've got the paperwork there, the pictures, all right. How are you doing, mate? All right? Yeah.
So we'll just get a brief overview of what we're
Yeah, that's fine.
Well done for the exposure. Well done, star decoy on this. Thanks for letting us conduct this on your behalf yet again. Smashed it yet again. Another cretin off the street.
I will never forgive you. This is a crime that you're never going to forgive. It's dirty. The worst of the worst. You can stand there going, I'm sorry, forgive me. You're talking to the wrong person, mate. You just want to be happy that it was us that got you and not the family. Because if that was my daughter, I wouldn't be bloody happy.
Right, mate, I'm going to be arresting you on the suspicion of engaging with sexual communication with a child. Of course, you do not say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention when questioned. You don't have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention when questioned, some of which are later on in court, and if you do say it may be given in evidence. Do you understand that?
Do you understand what my colleague just said to you? Yep. Give a hold of him, mate.
Your necessities for the arrest are to protect a vulnerable person, being a child, and for a prompt and effective investigation by means of questioning.
It's alright, mate. I ain't got you on that. Well done for the exposure again for this one. Thank you for letting us conduct this. Well done, star decoy. Smashed it.
Give you a pat down to like a phone on him.
He's got his phone in his
Fantastic. Thank you, guys. I'll give it on.
So, due to the nature of the incident, I'm going to have to seize your phone. Take that.
Cheers. Let's do with him. I'll get my card to the bottom step level.
What? Do you know what your PIN number is for your phone? Face ID.
What's the pin?
Do you have a PIN number? Do you have a passcode? What's your passcode, mate? What's your passcode? The
Number.
numbers.
Teams united on this. Doing what we all should do.
Yeah?
100%.
Yeah.
Get these dirties off
Yeah.
the street. Teams united
Okay.
for Christmas.
444 930.
Yeah.
That's not working.
Well, let's have a shot and get that.
Okay, yeah.
Just to make you aware, he has sort of said about suicide. Just
Okay.
like you're gonna
He
do.
has?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
It's not this, it's shoes up here now.
Yeah.
We'll bring it back to custody. Yeah, perfect. Take both in.
So, bring me down one of the closest out here.
Okay, that's right. We're going to walk down here, mate, alright?
Right, I'm just going to point
Stay
Molly.
with me.
Okay.
And you stay with me back in the car.
That's easy as well.
Cheers. Down at the bottom floor.
No, just that up.
Let's follow this one. Oh, he's like, he's got a plane car. Stay away from the kids, Ali. Please. Leave our kids alone, yeah? There you go. Off he goes in his taxi. He's lucky. He's got an unmarked one. Officers are lovely, nice officers. Oh, is he still crying? No, I hope so. Right.
We'll head back. Hold it and then take the lead so I can get to the station.
Thank you, Pepper Exposure, for letting us conduct this on your behalf. Well done, Star Decoy. Absolutely smashed it again with this one. I'm going to cut the live and yeah, on to the next. Thank you.